If you've ever wondered which LifeWave patch is right for you, well, you are in the right place. Today, I'll share what each patch does, how they work, and how to choose the right one for your wellness goals. So let's get started with our foundation patch. That patch is X39, and it's our flagship product and where most people begin. It supports natural energy flow in your body to promote wellness, strength, and stamina. The claims that we can make publicly about this particular patch are whole body wellness, supports recovery, and improves strength. And remember, all of our patches are drug-free and patented. You simply apply them, the heat from your body's energy field begins to melt the nanocrystals inside them, and specific frequencies of light are emitted. Then the benefits of phototherapy begin. You wear X39 for 12 hours on and 12 hours off. Most people do this during the day, but if this patch makes you feel more tired, then the evening hours may be best for you. Some people like that better, but it doesn't matter whether it's day or night for it to work. It just matters that you remember 12 hours on, 12 hours off. Consistency in wearing it daily and hydration are required. Now, you might be thinking, okay, if I wear it at night, how am I going to stay well hydrated? Well, if you've been hydrated well during the day, that will do it. You don't have to wake up in the middle of the night or drink water or anything like that. Again, most people wear X39 during the day, so that will most likely be what you're going to be doing as well. Now we're going to move on to our product called Y-Age Aeon. It's pronounced Eon, but spelled Aeon. Many of our customers use X39 by day and Aeon by night. Aeon is great for stress, tension, and finding balance. It helps you relax, manage stress naturally, and sleep more peacefully, which is awesome. So the combo of using X39 during the day and Aeon at night is actually David Schmidt's favorite pairing. He just thinks that people can get amazing effects from the patches if they do that. And I agree with him. I love that combo. Now, let's look at some of our other amazing patches. We have IceWave, and that is terrific for hurting and tension. It is fast acting support, and again, there are no drugs, no stimulants. There are 30 patches in all of our sleeves of patches, but in the case of IceWave, you have to use two patches simultaneously, both a white patch and a tan patch. There are 15 white ones and 15 tan ones in each sleeve, with a little white divider piece of paper in between. So really, when someone orders a sleeve of IceWave, it is a 15-day supply. Just keep that in mind. Now, X49 promotes performance, strength, and stamina. It reduces recovery time following exercise and supports maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system through exercise. It pairs really well with our X39 patch. There is something that we also sell called a performance bundle, and that bundle is both sleeves of X39 and X49 all in one big envelope. There is an efficiency in pricing when you buy the performance bundle, so it costs less than if you purchased X39 and X49 separately. So make sure if you're wanting to pair those two together that you look at the performance bundle. It'll save you money. Next patch I want to talk about is glutathione. The claims we can make on that one are it improves skin appearance, helps promote relaxation and reduces stress, and supports a harmonious state of health, which is your greatest defense. Okay, next one is carnosine. Claims we can make on that one are for physical fitness, exercise support, and general wellness. Next product is Silent Nights, and as you can imagine from the name, it's great for better sleep, longer sleep, and deeper relaxation. And it's drug-free. Amazing product. Nix is Energy Enhancer. This is the product that the whole company was based off of years ago. In 2004, when the company was launched, this was a product it was launched on, and it's a great one. If you need a boost in workouts or just daily activity or keeping up with your family, this is a wonderful product. So it supports wellness, boosts fitness performance, and it is clean, stimulant-free energy. The energy you get when you wear this is very different than drinking something that has caffeine in it. It's a very balanced kind of energy. I love it and it works amazing. It is similar to IceWave in that you have a 15-day supply in each sleeve. Again, there are white patches and tan patches that must be worn simultaneously for the technology to work. So keep that in mind. Energy enhancers, 30 patches is really a 15-day supply. Next patch we're going to talk about is Alavida. It is great for radiant skin, firm and even skin tone, reduces fine lines, and it really works from the inside out. Next patch up is SP6 Complete. That patch helps support appetite, and we do encourage that people use it in combination with a healthy diet. Finally, we come to AcuLife. Now, this one isn't for you, it's for your horses. So keep in mind that we do have a product here for animals, specifically horses, for pain relief, reducing inflammation, and helping ease soreness. So, which patch is right for you? Well, I recommend people start with X39. That is our foundation patch, and 99% of our customers use it in combination with the Aeon patch. And when there's hurting and tension involved, many start with that combination plus the IceWave. Not surprisingly, these three patches, X39, Aeon, and IceWave, are our top three selling patches. But sometimes I want to mention you know your body best. So please listen to your body. People often feel drawn to a specific patch, and that's good. Trust your instincts. That little voice might be telling you exactly what you need. So just remember, don't start with too many patches. These work off the bioelectrical system of your body, and wearing multiple patches can speed up your energy flow and create a stronger adjustment response. So I recommend you ease into these slowly. David Schmidt recommends no more than 6 patches worn simultaneously at one time. So start with no more than, say, 3 patches. Let your body adjust and then build up gradually if you want to. Some people, all they need is X39. So see how your body responds and what you need. If you need my help, please look in the description below. My email's there. If you don't already have a sponsor, please contact me. I would love to help you. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you the next time.